Now when I wrap the cord or rope or whatever I'm going to have around this pulley here, or not pulley but spool, it's going to want to fall off. Now I can, put this on the lathe and I can groove all along the inside here, make a little groove, but then what's going to happen is the radius is going to get less, and in other words the leverage pulling down is going to be less. So I think it's probably a good idea to just make a couple of flanges that are going to be on the sides, just out of some scrap plywood here. Anyway, once it's all glued up, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, I got one more to do here, but there's something I want to show you. That last scene, the camera was sitting right here, looking right there. And when I was reaching around the camera to turn on the switch for the bandsaw, yep, I'm a slow learner. Kind of like what one of the viewers said. He said that he doesn't consider it his project unless it's got his blood on it or something to that effect. I thought that was sort of applies to me lately. Now the funny thing of it was that after I used this bit to drill this hole, I thought, I should take this out. I don't need it anymore. I'm a slow learner. Now, this piece and this piece have to be glued together, but there's no use doing that until this piece is shaped like this. I don't want to rip this, otherwise I'm going to have to go print another one out. Okay, I got the paper off, and I do not want to get this wrong, because if I get it wrong, the clock will run backwards. Well, not really, but it would cause a lot of problems for me. Okay, so the wheel is going to be a hole large enough to accommodate this axle. Okay, it's going to go there. Now I want it to wind up this way and lock in place and drive this way. So that means this has to go like this, so that it will wind up this way and lock in place this way. Okay. I think I got it. Now I just knew that you did not want to have to watch me sopping on a way too much glue again and putting on a whole bunch of clamps, so I just went ahead and did it. Yeah, and as far as my little brush goes, well, I was noticing that the sponge rubber was sort of coming off the stick, so I'm going to just scrap this one. It's only worth, what, about 12 cents? Yeah, they're supposed to be disposable, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.